triggers to maintain business rule. Okay, there can be many kinds of business rules we have it. Okay, depending on business to business over there. Okay, now one of the rule is that no lecturer must teach more than 4 courses. So a lecturer can maximum go for the 4 different courses, otherwise it will be heavier on them. Now look at this one. So how you can apply this business rule if you are making a database for a university or college or school. Okay, and you say that a teacher will have like maximum 4 courses. Okay, otherwise system will give an error message. See, so how it will look like. So I need an error message. What this kind of message I need? Maximum teaching load exceed for the lecturer. Okay, in case of if there is any like if I insert more courses for a single lecturer, I want this kind of error. Okay, so in the PL/SQL programming language, this is a function. So you have to write this function, raise application error -2001, and then you will write this code. So you have to this will give you an error message if you want to insert more courses for it. Now see that how we create the trigger. So create, and then we say create what? Table? No, we want trigger. Okay, and what is the name of the trigger? Any name you like it. So we chose it as maximum teaching load. Okay, so it is like easy to remember. So always give those names which you can easily remember. So don't give like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, because you forget it. Tomorrow you will not remember it. But this, the meaningful name, is easier for you to remember. So these are the rules of software engineering, that how you can remember the names for it. So this is called like a readability, user readability or code readability. So before you insert anything or update, okay, of what? Lecturer ID on a course. So there are how many tables we have it? 2 tables we have. We have like one is for lecturer, another is for course. So in the course we have a course code, we have a title, we have a lecture ID, and we have a D name. So it is just like similar. Yesterday we did a lab over there. Similar kind of a table we have it, right? So for each row, the code is that for each row declare number of courses. 1, for example, begins. So we say like how we write the PL/SQL code. We start with the begin. Say select count into the number of courses. So it will counting the number of courses. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay. If it is 5th course is inserted, this message will come. Stop, please stop. So that is like a marur kind of thing. Okay. From course, where course.lecture ID is equal to new, if number of courses is equal or more than 4, okay, then you have to flag an error over there, right? So what is this? Is the error. So this is the kind of code. So I have like analyze. This is the main code. This is the main business logic you have to implement. The rest is just like the part and parcel of it. So the main thing is this logic. If the number of courses in this table, okay, is greater than 4 for a specific lecture, where the lecture ID is equal to the lecture ID in the new, then this kind of error will be happening to it.